loves, and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great. My name is Ashley, for those of you that don't know me, and today I'm going to try out these two products that I got from Amazon with you guys. I saw this in I Love Sarai's video, and she kind of explained how she uses it so her hairline looks super sharp and it looks like she has a lot of hair, because a lot of us, I think, have the same problem around here. Like, the growth is not as intense. I mean, for me personally, it changed after having kids. This area right here, I'm like super concerned, because when I do like braids or ponytails, you can kind of see that it's not as full as other areas in my hair. So I am super excited because this is the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up, and this one, it says that it's quick and easy, it dries in a flash, lightweight, not smudging or sticky residue, lasts one shampoo. So that's pretty cool because you don't have to reapply it as much. Ammonia peroxide free and no synthetic dyes, and it comes in 10 different shades. Cover your shoulders with a towel, shake well, spray on a dry hair about 6 inches from the regrowth. Okay, so it kind of has all the info in the bag. Let me shake this up. So I'm really self-conscious about this area right here, and of course I do have grays, but we're not going to talk about that. So I want to try it and see if it does work for me. But before I start, I want to invite you guys to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and be part of the fam. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. And look at this, guys. It doesn't really move. That's like a little residual, but oh my god, and it's still like intact. This is a game changer right here. Like for example, for me, like, since my hairline is not as full as the rest of my head, like, this is pretty nice. Like, and the hair doesn't feel like sticky or anything like that. It does feel like a little, like it has dry shampoo. So I'm okay with that because it gives me a little bit of more volume. All right, my loves, so this is how the shield ended. I think this is super helpful. I'm kind of in love. I don't know if they have any more on other brands or anything, but I will totally try them out. I'm super impressed, super in love, and I will definitely recommend this and keep using it in the future for grays, because I do have some, and for my hairline to look kind of flawless. But yeah, my loves, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna leave everything down in the description like I told you guys, and I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Mwah!